Hi, today we talk about the second last animal in the Chinese zodiac cycle. This is the dog. So I'm sure lots of you are dog lovers. Do you know how to say and write dog in Chinese? We say go, go. So have a look at the radical on the left hand side of the character. So for other animals such as the lion, the fox, or the wolf, they all have the same radical. So whenever you come across these characters, you know that it is animal related. So for people who are born in the year of the dog, they're mostly honest, loyal, and patient. So it is a rather reliable personality. So I hope that you enjoy this video and probably you have checked other Chinese zodiac videos as well. So thank you so much for watching and let me know, if you have any comments, any feedbacks, or any, writings that you want me to demonstrate. I'm happy to help. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.